All right, so a while back we got the P3 M.2 SSD and we was running that inside of the Mini Sapporo hub, which has been doing pretty good. I know I made a previous video talking about one of the issues I had with LumaFusion and exporting to it, but for some apparent reason it's been working flawlessly, and I cross my fingers every time I render a video from LumaFusion, man. I cross my fingers, and honestly it's been working. So I've been contemplating on taking that video down with the issue, but then again, I think I might as well leave it up because I'm pretty sure somebody might run into that issue. But if you do run into that issue and you happen to drop into this video, just know that it ended up working for me. And what I ended up doing was just deleting all the templates that I had created in LumaFusion because it might have been a corrupt file or something in there. And what I ended up doing was deleting all those templates and creating a whole new template for my videos. And all of a sudden, I haven't had any issues since then. But I say all that to say this. When I ordered the P3 M.2 SSD, I also ordered the Crucial X6, which is a portable SSD, and I got it for my iPad as well as for my Mac Mini too, but I got it for my iPad so I could be more portable. And I ordered this because I wanted to be able to take some of the files that I have off of the M.2, drop it on here so that if I'm editing off my iPad, I can have all those files right here and I don't have to have any dongles. I could just go USB-C straight into the iPad. So that was one of the main reasons why I got this one here. Now, I ordered this thing on March 6th. You guys should see that pop up on the screen, the Amazon thing. But I purchased it on March 6th. It was 59 bucks, 1 terabyte right here. But it got delivered on the 25th, which is why this video is actually kind of late because it kept getting pushed back. Amazon kept sending me emails letting me know that it was getting pushed back and if I wanted my refund or just continue with the shipping. And to be honest with you, it was 59 bucks. So I just kept on approving, the pushback, and lo and behold, on the 25th, it finally made it. So today, all I want to do for you guys, because I don't like to get too technical with all these SSD drives because it's really a simple little SSD drive. I just want to open it right here with you guys, show you what it looks like, man, and then we'll test this thing on Blackmagic, check the speeds, do our little file swapping just to make sure everything worked, man. Then we'll get out of here for the day, all right? Let's do it. So again, $59 on Amazon, man, for 1 terabyte. I feel like you can't beat that, man. So let's go ahead and open this up, man. Don't need a top-down shot for this one, guys. Nothing else in the box, but you get the actual hard drive, or the SSD drive. I said hard drive. You get a little user manual right here, little user manual. You get a USB-C cable, and this cable is fairly small, which I like. It's fairly small. Let me take that out. And then last but not least, you're gonna have the actual SSD drive itself. Has a little sleeve on it. Has this on it right here. A little get started on the back. Little sleeve or whatever the case. Little plastic sleeve. Take this off. Oh man, here we go. About to say it's gonna troll me. Throw that out the way. And this is what we looking like. Got a little plastic right here on the back right there. Got a little plastic right there. So let me take that off too. I wanna see all the shininess. One on the front. I wanna see all the shininess. And there we go. Right here. This is what we looking like right here. Very, very small. Very, very small and compact. If you guys can see that. Very small, compact. Very, very lightweight, man. I mean, literally, this thing feels like it weighs like, man, I can't even explain it. So it's so small and lightweight. But all you do is plug this in right here, USB-C, and this is what it looked like. This is what it looked like. Look at that. Very, very small. And I'm looking up at the screen, guys, so I can make sure I got you guys in focus, man. But very, very small. Look at that. Very small, man. Very compact. And imagine rocking that with the iPad, man. Ooh wee. That's very small. Very small. Look at that. Very small. Liking that. I'm liking that. I'm liking that. So let's go ahead, man, and throw this into the computer, man, and move a couple of files, test the speed on Blackmagic, and then we'll get out of here. All right, so I just plugged the Crucial into the Mini Sapporo hub. I don't know if y'all can see that, man, but it's plugged in right there, and it's up on my screen right now. It's above the Crucial P3s. We got the Crucial X6. Nothing on it. It's pretty empty, basically. Nothing on it, brand new. So we're gonna go ahead and open up Blackmagic speed test. I got it set to 2 gigs. We'll select target drive. We'll go right here to the Crucial X6, as you can see. We'll hit open and we'll start the speed test. Let's see what we get. It said up to 800. We'll let it go twice. So we're at 652 on the write, and on the read, we are at 549. Let's see if we can get a little bit more. So 655. I think we're gonna cap out at about 655. It said up to 8, but we can cap out at about 655. And keep in mind, I got it plugged into the Mini Sapporo hub. Those two them two USB-C slots say up to 10 gigs, but you know, we sitting around 650 and 550. So I still think that's pretty good, man. I'm not, you know, too bummed out that it didn't hit 8, but you know, it is what it is, all right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up the P3, we'll open up the Crucial, and I'm gonna transfer a quick file so you guys can see it actually work. So the Crucial P3 will go into, we'll find a video. So let's look at this Stream Deck. We'll take a look at this, get info. So this video is about 5.93 gigs. So let's just drop it over here on the X6 and see what happens. See how long it takes. It says it's gonna take less than a minute. Look at that, right here, less than a minute, less than a minute. Let's see, less than a minute, about 10 seconds. I mean, that really didn't even, I don't even think that took 25 seconds, did it? Because we are done that quick, done that fast, man. I mean, look at that. Coming from the P3 in the Mini Sapporo, the M.2, coming from the P3 to the X6, I mean, that was nothing. That was literally nothing. I would take it back, but you know, I just wanted to see it come from, because I got to transfer a lot of files from the actual P3 to the X6 today. So that's what I'm gonna spend my time doing. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this though. But I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to transfer some files and stuff over. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this, man. It was just a quick video to show you guys that the Crucial X6 SSD finally got to the office, finally got it. We checked the speed test on it, man, 650. I think we're doing pretty good. 650 on the read, no, on the write, and about 550 on the read. I think that's what we saw. We transferred a 5.93 gig file in about 20 to 25 seconds. I mean, give or take, all right? So hopefully you enjoyed this video, man. And if you found it to be helpful in some way, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's been your man, Jay, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.